In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues with your Duolingo widget on your home screen. Sometimes these small glitches can cause quite the headache, but the good news is I'll walk you through some simple and effective steps to get everything back on track. Let's start with one of the simplest troubleshooting steps out there, restarting your device. Believe it or not, a simple restart can often resolve widget glitches and refresh your phone's system. It gives your phone a fresh start, closing any background processes that might be causing problems without you realizing it. So, go ahead and power down your phone completely and then turn it back on. Once your device reboots, check to see if the widget issue has been resolved. If the widget is still not working correctly, the next step is to delete and re-add it. Navigate to your home screen, find the black or malfunctioning Duolingo widget, and simply remove it. You can do this by long pressing the widget and dragging it to the remove area, or by using any method specific to your device. After you've removed it, head over to your device's widget settings. From there, find the Duolingo widget and add it back to your home screen. This action essentially gives the widget a reset, which often clears up any display errors. Moving on, it's important to ensure that your Duolingo app is up to date. Open up your App Store and check for any available updates for Duolingo. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve overall functionality, which might just resolve the issue with your widget. If you're still having troubles, clearing the app cache can be a lifesaver. This is particularly useful if there's a data conflict. Go to your phone settings, find the Duolingo app, and select the option to clear its cache. This process won't delete your personal data, but it will remove temporary files, which might be causing issues. Should the problem persist, it might be time for a more thorough approach. Reinstalling the Duolingo app. Start by uninstalling the app entirely from your device. Once that's done, head back to your App Store and download Duolingo again. After reinstalling, take a moment to try adding the widget back to your home screen and see if it's functioning correctly. Now, if none of these steps have resolved the issue, it's probably best to contact Duolingo support directly. Make sure to provide them with important details such as your username, the type of device you're using, and a screenshot of the black widget. This information will greatly assist them in investigating and offering more specific guidance to fix the problem. By following these steps diligently, you should be well on your way to having your Duolingo widget back in perfect working condition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.